Hey everybody, what's going on? Sean here with Zero to Income. And have you just come across Podia and you're thinking, hey, this looks really cool. Maybe I should sign up for Podia. Well, maybe I should do some research first, right? Maybe I should see if there's anything else out there. Well, I'm glad you are thinking that, and I'm glad you found this video because I want to tell you there are nine, make sure here, 9 reasons why you should actually choose system over Podia. Okay, let's jump over. I'm going to walk through each of these reasons. All right. What we're looking at here is the Podia pricing. I'm not even going to throw up the system pricing because I'll explain it as I go. But what we're looking at here is a clip from Podia's pricing page. This is their free version. I'm going to compare it to System's free version. I use System all day long, every day for the last year. I've kind of got the free version figured out and what it offers. All right. Reason number one, when we look at this, 10% fees. All right. So this is on top of the fees that your payment processor is going to charge. So you can connect Stripe with the free version of Podia, which is going to take, I think, like 2.5% or something like that, or 2.9%. So Stripe's going to take its share, and then Podia's taking out an additional 10%. I've got a $1997 product on Podia. When all is said and done, I make like $17. I mean, it's almost $3 after all of the different fees. It's kind of annoying. So that kind of is a bummer. When you use System, no fees. Did you hear that? No fees on System. All right. You're only going to pay the fees of your payment processor. System's not going to take out any other fees. All right. So that was number one. So we go down the line here, full website. System can have a full website as well. Matter of fact, you could have multiple websites. You could do a blog. Your blog can have unlimited pages as well. All right. So, I mean, it's pretty crazy what you get with System.io. Now, here, full blog. Like I just said, you can have a blog on the system as well. All right. Number two, second reason why you should choose System over Podia. So right here, Podia is saying you get one download. With System.io, you can have as many as you want. The system doesn't limit you to how many downloads you can provide. You can do as many as you want. All right. Now there's some caveats to that as far as having, funnels and things like that to deliver a download, but you're talking at least 7 downloads on up. Okay. I mean, there's ways around things in System, but compared to this, 1 download versus 7 or more, System's the obvious winner there. All right. Coaching product. That's number 3. One coaching product. Again, with System doesn't have a coaching product, but you can set up a coaching product as many as you want. Again, there's really no kind of limitations for a coaching product per se. All right. Number 4, right? Is that where we're at? 1, 2, 3. We're at 4. All right. Draft courses. What this means is that when you go to set up a course in Podia, you can set the course up, have it all ready to go, but no one can use it. System, you get one course, one fully functioning course with as many modules as you want. All right. And the thing about System is you can take a course, and when you're selling something in System, you can actually sell just partial parts of the course. So modules, you can say, in this particular product, I only want to offer module 1 of my course. In this particular project, I only want to offer module 2 of my course. All right. So you can break that course down into multiple modules, and again, you can really use that course in a number of ways. All right, so that was number 4. Let's go down here. Webinars, that's kind of the equivalent. With System, you would have to use the webinar plan, which is like $47 a month if you're paying monthly. 5, right? Number 5, draft product bundles. So again, what this is saying is you can create a product bundle, but you can't offer it, when you're using Podia. With System.io, you can bundle products, no problem. Throw them together. You can create bundles, not a problem. And again, this is for System's free plan. All right. So let's go down here. Community. Yeah, you can do a community on System. All right. Number 6. Okay. Number 6. And that is this optional email add-on. All right, now with the free version of Podia, unless they've changed things, you get like 100 contacts. And then after that, it's not really optional. Um, you would have to actually start paying. You go over 100, and they're going to make you start paying. And I think the minimum payment is like $7 a month. With System, you have 2,000 contacts on System's free plan. Not only that, unlimited emails. All right, 2,000 contacts versus 100. Again, you tell me which one wins here. I think that's a no-brainer, right? Um, Next, we have this optional team add-on. That's 7. All right. Again, you need people to come in and work on your System account for you. You add them as a member. That doesn't cost you anymore. It's just part of the System. You add them as a member, and I don't think there's even a limit on how many people you can add. Again, you tell me which one do you want to use there. I'm thinking System's kind of the winner here, right? All right. Next, right here, number 8, custom domain. Who wants to, if you're going to have a website, you're going to have a business, obviously you want to be able to connect your own domain, right? Well, with Podia, nope, not going to happen. With System, guess what? Of course, you can actually connect your custom domain or a subdomain. Not a problem. And again, this is System's free plan. No problem. You have mydomain.com and you want to connect that to your System account so that when somebody goes to mydomain.com, they're landing on your site at System rather than mydomain.podia.com. Guess what? They get to land on your site, mydomain.com. How cool is that? Again, I don't know if you guys are seeing a theme here. It's kind of like a no-brainer, right? All right. So that was number 8. We skip down here to number 9, and that is this third-party code. This is something I see all of the time in the Podia community, and that is people saying, hey, I need to add this to my Podia site. How do I add this embed code? System has a plugin, kind of, if you will, platform. It's called iFramely, that allows you to connect custom embed codes from certain things. However, when I say custom embed code, it would be something like, hey, I want to embed my YouTube video. You would go to iFramely, and it plugs into Podia. You would have to look and see, that maybe you have a chart with Airtable, and you want to pull Airtable in. Again, you have to see if it is compatible with iFramely, right? If you actually created your own CSS code, it's not going to work. Doesn't work with Podia. Yet with System.io, I have in the free toolbox, I don't know, 12 or 13 different pieces of custom code that can be used with System.io to enhance it, to give it features like a auto-scrolling image carousel or auto-scrolling testimonials. Could I do that with Podia? Nope, I couldn't do it with Podia. So that was number 9. I am going to throw in a 10th one just because it's sitting here looking at me in the face. Affiliates. Right here, it's saying affiliates are not an option with this free version of Podia. Guess what? With the free version of System, you put out a product, you can actually create your own affiliate product. So 2 different things. Not only could you be a System.io affiliate, so if someone signs up for System.io and starts paying for System.io, we actually do have an affiliate link in our description down below that you can use. Again, it works for the free version, and then if you decided later on to go and pay for it, then we would actually get some kickback for that. That's part of the Podia free plan. But not only that, when you create a product, System allows you to say, hey, allow others to sell this product, and you just designate, hey, I want to give them 50% of whatever this product sells for. If you're selling a product for $19.97, well, let's make the math easy, right? If you're selling a product for $20, you pop on there 50%, and you come along and you sell my product for $20. You're getting 10, I'm getting 10. How cool is that? Can't do that with Podia. All right. So here it is. You've got 9. Actually 10 reasons why System blows away Podia. So if you still want to use Podia, hey, I'm kind of speechless here because I just don't know why you would want to. But if you still want to use it, it's not like a terrible platform. It's just system is better, and it's not just a little bit better. It's a lot better. So there you go. 10 reasons, not 9, but 10 reasons why System.io is the better choice. So if you're really liking this video, we have a whole series of System.io videos in our System.io playlist. Go check it out. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can watch more stuff that Dana and I put out. And have an awesome day.